What kind of workflow are you following for 5D BIM, which is cost analysis, and building performance energy analysis? Because when you develop your BIM models in Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla, you tend to use and overload your models a lot because you have a lot of information for other purposes, for design purposes. So in order to have all those information, it's not really suitable for cost simulation, for 5D, or building energy analysis. So comment below if you're using automated workflows for that and what kind of workflow you are really following. In this video, we are going to cover how we are going to do this in a simple step. In this video, we are going to review a great product that allows this process to be automated. So with one click, we can actually extract some models through IFC or through other formats like GBXML file in order to simplify those files or build actual models that can give us right quantification and energy simulation data. You can get a 30 days free trial rather than 14 days in their website if you click on the link in the description. Because we are collaborating with Abstract BIM in order to deliver more value to our audience, and they are partially sponsoring this video, and as well as we have access to their product in order to check the product in real life cases, so we can come up with a second video and showcase you the real BIM uses with the Abstract BIM. Let's review this product together and let's see what kind of benefits it can really bring to you. In order to test how Abstract BIM works, we will test it with Autodesk sample Revit model. So this is an architectural model from Autodesk, and we will test it through Abstract BIM and how it simplifies this model for quantification in this case. So what we are going to do is we will go to the file and export, and from here we will export as IFC first because Abstract BIM works with only IFC models, and we need to make sure that we have spaces. So meaning we need to have rooms inside the Revit model, which converts as an IFC into IFC spaces, and then Abstract BIM reads them and remodels around that to get the quantification. So one thing to make a note that this model, for some reason, it has 3 phases. So in this case, obviously, all the spaces are located in the working drawings. So what I need to make sure is I need to go to Export, IFC, but here I need to make sure that I don't select any of these, because if I select any of these, if I go to Modify Setup, it selects the default phase to export. But instead, I'm more interested in the working drawings phase. So in order to go that, I do in Session, I make sure that I select the working drawing phase, and if I want to check any other things, contents like additional content, property sets, if I want to make any adjustments, but in this case I don't. So I just simply click OK, and I browse the location and I click Export. Once I export it, just to let you know also about the rooms, if I go into the schedules, so you can see that schedule 3 is about the working drawing phase. If I go to the other 2 phases, there are no rooms. So that's why we need the rooms in order to convert to IFC spaces. Once we do that, we move on to the Abstract website. Right now the page is in English, but if you are located in a German-speaking country like Switzerland or Germany, Austria, you can switch it to the German. The thing over here is that how complicated models is simplified and can be used for building performance analysis, for energy simulations, or else for quantification purposes. So here we can see, like more information about more details. Please visit and check all these details so you can familiarize yourself with all the data and how it exactly works if you want to learn more about it. And here you can see pricing point of view. But again, if you click on the link below, you will get 30 days free trial, not 14 days. So please go ahead and use the link below. I go to the login page, I put in the credentials that we have, and then I enter to the location where I can upload the file. It's as simple as just loading the file. So I will just go to the export that I did previously before shooting this video, and I will just take this file and write ABSTRACT sample Abstract BIM. And then from here, I will just select the phase that I'm looking for. It's design phase I'm in, and I will go for quantification in this case. Obviously, we'll make another video for you. I'll be going more into detail how the quantification works, building performance simulations. I will do some tests and I will give you more details about on a real life situation and real life use. How does this really work? But coming back to here, Generate Abstract BIM, just click on the Generate Abstract BIM and it will be loading the file. It's so fast, you can just see real time and you will be able to download it right away. You also have the file sent to your email as well. So you can just click over here to download the file. From here, you locate the file and you unzip it. I will go inside Revit and I will try to open the IFC model. So what I will click is simply open and IFC model. From here, I will choose the Abstract BIM from the unzipped folder. Just click on it to open it and you wait to load the model. So what it does in the background is that when the IFC model went to Abstract BIM generated the spaces, and from the spaces they generated the actual model. So this model is generated automatically, and obviously if you look at it from the aesthetical point of view, don't look at it from that point of view. It's more about getting the quantification right and all the components necessary for quantification and for budget analysis right at the beginning of the project during the design stage and actually throughout the life cycle really, in order to simplify the process and simplify the models. Here we have a model that contains all the information and it's simply regenerated through the spaces. And you can use this model to get the right quantification, and you can see that the walls and everything has been marked properly and went around the openings. So I will be doing a real case use and I will be giving more information about how the quantification is really working on fairly more complex projects. You can click on this video to watch a great video that has 4D and 5D BIM. It's a prefabricated structure and it covers each day how many equipments you need, how many people you need, and what kind of materials, all the items you need in order to build this enclosure.